Okay, so you like high quality webcams and maybe you're looking at purchasing an OBSBOT camera or upgrading a previous one you own like the Tiny 2. Well, awesome. Let me show you the Tiny 3. Now, huge thanks to OBSBOT for keeping me on as a brand ambassador because honestly, after getting my first Tiny 2 camera, I have never looked back. The quality upgrade was huge for my streaming and content. The quality jump was actually so good, I now own 3 of their cameras for all of the stuff going on in my streams and content. But first things first, we've got ourselves a camera. Let's get this bad boy unboxed. Alright, so previously in my last video I covered the Tiny 2 and OBSBOT generally in quite a broad view, so this video I'm going to kind of keep it a bit more simple and cover basically what the Tiny 3 offers and also comparison of what is better than the Tiny 2 supposedly. Straight off the bat, the Tiny 3 comes in such a smaller size than the Tiny 2, which is insane to say when you see just how small this camera actually is, and comes in weighing at 63 grams over the 95.6 grams of the Tiny 2. The heat dissipation is actually a lot better, but again, even if this camera's been on for a while, I still wouldn't really touch the base because it does get hot. Overall, just performance-wise, this camera is just outstanding. Image quality, we're talking Ultra HD resolution. Tiny 3 coming in at a 1.28 CMOS versus the 1.5 on the Tiny 2 for excellent low light performance. The focusing on these cameras as well is next level, whether it be for a global focus or on your face, switching between objects, it's near flawless. Tiny 3's obviously got the flexible ISO adjustment for all different kind of lighting conditions depending on your setup. And let's not forget the HDR technology, just to add a little bit of oomph to your image quality as well. Tiny 3 comes with upgraded AI features, including the AI tracking 2.0, which is super smooth. With the Tiny 3, we've also got voice tracking that makes recording at a distance so easy, and it picks up your voice perfectly. Not to mention all the general voice commands that come with the OBSBOT setup as it is. And while webcams don't usually have to shout about the microphone, with the Tiny 3 there is a huge microphone performance upgrade. It comes with 3 mics, it's a single omnidirectional mic plus the dual directional, whereas on the Tiny 2 we just got the dual omnidirectional. Sticking with the mic quality as well, there's multiple audio modes, including high noise reduction and strong stereo sound, accurate sound source localization, which comes in great when you're doing your voice tracking, and for the first time ever, you can use the OBSBOT wireless mic setup as well, the Vox SE. There's also been some upgrades to the OBSBOT software ecosystem. The OBSBOT Center now comes with a teleprompter, which is actually pretty awesome. There's new features in the Tiny 3 for the imaging setup, including exposure, gamma curve, white balance adjustment, and NVIDIA Maxine eye contact. Okay, so let's talk about what you're all actually here for anyway, image quality on a webcam. What you're going to see on the screen now is both of my webcams, Tiny 2 on the left, Tiny 3 on the right. And this is the quality both are given off at 4K 30 FPS. Now I did have some problems myself with the image quality on the Tiny 3 camera. When I was running it at 1080 60 FPS, I found the color was not quite there compared to what I was getting on the Tiny 2. I spoke to the support team, did a little bit of research, and I found out this camera just works overall better on 4K 30 FPS. And this is about as close as I've managed to get it to my Tiny 2. While the color still doesn't look as spot on, the quality of the actual overall image, you can definitely see the difference in the improvement. But as with a lot of cameras, it's not just about the camera, it's also about your lighting setup, and I currently have my lighting set up for my streams and my recording on my Tiny 2. So this is as close as I'm getting it, and overall, it still looks really good. Okay, so I know, webcam users, we do not care about the built-in mics on most of our webcams. But with the OBSBOT ones, they do offer some really cool stuff, so we're going to check out each audio mode and do some test recordings so you can hear how it sounds. So let's do it. Right, this is pure audio mode as they call it, and this is how this sounds. This is spatial audio mode, and this is how this sounds. This is the smart omni mode, and this is how this sounds. This is the directional mode, and this is how this sounds. And this is the dual directional mode, and this is how this sounds. And there we go, that is the audio modes we have with the inbuilt mic. I would demonstrate how it sounds with the wireless Vox SE microphone, but I don't currently have that, so we're just sticking with the internal for now. Okay, now as we said, one of the great things that OBSBOT offer with their cameras is the tracking. It is the pinnacle of pretty much what their cameras do, and they do it so well. So you get to enjoy some footage now with me dancing around my room like an idiot, trying to lose the tracking on the camera and failing quite terribly. But also, with what comes with the Tiny Free, it's not just the tracking, the voice location. So even if you do somehow manage to lose yourself in the tracking, you can just shout at your camera and it will find where you are again. Cool, right? Now, not only do you get the joys of the tracking with the camera, but also the voice commands, which I do love, work really well. Though, it also depends when you're using them. Sometimes when I'm trying to stream and I'm either using like the voice commands, or as you've seen in my previous video, the hand gestures, they kind of get mixed in with what I'm doing. If I happen to say something on stream or recording a video that interacts in the same way, the camera will just acknowledge it. Or if I'm doing this and making hand gestures, the camera often sort of picks it up as a command and tries to influence it. So they are currently turned off at the moment, but you'll get to see in this clip just how well the voice commands work. They work really well. Track me. Unlock me. Zoom in closer. Zoom out further. Position 1. Position 2. Position 3. Position 2. Okay, so the OBSBOT cameras have been in my setup for a couple of years now, and as I say, I own a few of them, and I do quite a bit with them. From either streaming, where I get a good face cam, which with the AI tracking means I'm always in frame no matter what I'm doing on stream, to when I'm recording unboxing videos, I have one at my desk which covers and has high quality imaging for the hardware I'm looking at. I also get to use it for cool things on my stream, like when my cat's in the room, I have a boost cam where it pans across on a channel point redemption via Twitch to check if the cat's there and then pan back to me. So it even has some great integrations with things like Stream Deck or Atom. And let's not also forget, these don't just work on PC, these cameras also work on your Switch 2 and your Steam Deck. There's honestly so much you can do with these cameras depending on the tools you use and the setup you have, but the possibilities feel endless. I am still finding so many new ways to integrate it into my whole setup and to give even my viewers on a stream something fun to do. Now, one of the other really cool perks that affects you for me being a brand ambassador is I get a discount code, which is Brophers. So now you can get yourself a nice little percentage off your camera if you're looking to purchase or upgrade. So check the link in the description, have a look for yourself, and, treat yourself. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed checking out the Tiny Free with me. And if you have any questions or want to know more about anything, let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to check out OBSBOT's channels for updates and news on any upcoming products and bits like that. Now, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one.